everybody, welcome to Glen Nutte's Cow Emporium. Today we put our brown layers in with our older chickens. So we drug their tractor up beside our chicken coop outdoor run, and it's a nice big outdoor run. You'll see it in the video. There's two sides to it. So our older chickens like to hang out on the side that has all the poplar suckers in it for some shade. And we fashioned a really fancy, high-tech door fence around the chicken tractor there by the gate so that the brown layers can go back into their tractor if they feel like they need to. Now there's 21 of them, and there's only about 9 of our older ones. So I feel like the older ones are gonna have to be sticking up for their territory here. So we've never done it like this before. We've normally just kind of clipped the wings on the new birds and snuck them into the chicken coop at nighttime while everybody was sleeping. So this is kind of a new way, and so far it's working good. I expect we're gonna have well, we'll see what they do, I guess. We're thinking the brown layers will sleep in their tractor the next couple of nights. Sometime during the nights we'll clip their wings because they are flying around out here, as they haven't had a chance to do that because they've been in the tractor. And that way they won't be all over the yard. And safe from other predators, of course. So yeah, so they're just roaming all over the place, checking things out. They've had 1 or 2 run-ins with a couple of the older chickens, but everybody seems to have enough space and just kind of hanging out right now, figuring it out. And so we'll see what the day brings. I have my handy-dandy little chair, and I'm sitting here just watching chicken TV. It's as good as it gets on a Saturday afternoon. I don't think you're gonna take a turkey, buddy.